Getting down to the open of today's trading session. That is today, the 2nd of April 2025. GLSI up 16.09%. As you can see, we have upper projections towards 13.29, 14.77, 16.25. We'll come back to these projections later on. The company has some news behind this strength that it's currently showing now. It says here Greenwich rises on immune response data from breast cancer therapy trial. Its experimental therapy GLSI 100 to prevent breast cancer recurrences showed an increased immune response over time in patients during a late stage study. The therapy creates an immune response over time as measured by the increase in injection site reactions with increased vaccinations. The company says in the preliminary data, the patient's reported immune response increased over time from baseline through the 4th to 6th month vaccinations. Okay. The stock is I think it's saying here down 51.4% in the last 12 months. Yeah, the underlying trend I think here we have is a bearish one. The underlying trend is a bearish one. So this is not reflecting what is going on right now. It's only just indicating the pre-market price of 10.90. Just giving what this rejection at 10.74. This was as of Friday. No, Thursday the 27th, and then the closing of the closing price of yesterday, the 1st of April. If you take that spread, it gives you around $1.48, and if you multiply 1.48 by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, and you add that to the current price of 10.9, you will get Fibonacci extension. You get an upper projection of 13.29, and multiply that spread again by 2.618 Fibonacci extension level, and add that to the current price of 10.90, you get 14.77, which is an upper projection. And then again, you multiply that spread, which is 1.48 by 3.618, and then you add whatever you get to the current price of 10.90, you get another extension upper projection of 16.25. Yeah. So this is how we obtained those two upper projections, 13.29. Let's see now. Obviously, something that has printed before, so the probability of that printed again is there. Maybe in a short time, I think. Yes, in a short time, the probability of that printing is there. 14.77. Yeah, you could say medium term. Yes, there. 16.25. Yeah, still there as well. We had even has projections all the way towards 16.96 that are not currently in play. As of the 19th of February. Those sort of projections were there. Even though they're currently not in play, but they're still indicated there for us to have a reference of what happened in the past. So on the screen right now, or rather, the Algos has 11.65 as of yesterday, and it's still currently in play now, I believe. So let's just quickly have a look at the 4-hour chart and see what's going on. It should be reflecting what's going on right now. Yes, it is reflecting what's going on. It's had a rejection at 11.04. No upper projections printed here. We have 11.91. 11.91 was in play as of Tuesday, the 25th of March, about a week ago, and then 12.11 as of the 19th. And going on. Let's see now. Let's have a look at maybe 10-minute chart and see whether anything special has occurred here. Yeah, this definitely printed today. 11.97 got a rejection, pulled back, and has had up to two rejections at around 11.02. So there's a suggestion that if consolidation might be occurring on on based on what's going on the 10-minute chart. And indeed, as well, consolidation is going on. Yeah, consolidation is currently going on, consolidating or contracting this volatility expansion that took it to 11.99. So GLSI, um, we even have here, we have even a higher price, okay, 11.96, 11.9, it's pretty much the same thing we had on those charts. So upper projections towards 16.25. I know that's really a stretch, given that it is currently showing strength at the moment. Um, Before 16.25, we have 14.77. Before that, we have 13.29. I mean, I'm trying to see what the catalyst could be to drive it higher. You could say that there's some positive news out there, and maybe it should actually print higher prices. Especially in this in today, and indeed in the regular session of today, the 2nd of April. So outside that, it has actually printed some of those sort of prices before, and there's every reason to expect that it should return and retest them again. If anything. So just have a look and see what you make of GLSI on the move right now. And thank you very much for watching this video.